Hey, what's going on? Good morning, everyone. Now, today's Friday, and we are off to the races. All right, so before I turn this recording on, I missed this move this long here. And right now, looking at the charts, it's heading towards that high there, so I'm not seeing any good risk-reward opportunities at this time, so I'm going to have to be patient here. Yeah, chasing a already extended move is definitely not the way to go, so I'm going to be very patient here. Looking at this daily chart here. Yeah, look at this move, man. This market's extremely resilient here. It looks like I may need to look for the long side again here. There's a good chance I might not even trade today. I don't want to force the issue if I don't have to here, so I'm going to be very, very safe here. Oh, look at this move. Very, very strong. It's hitting new highs pre-market here. If you look here, this is the monthly chart on the top left-hand corner, and we definitely are in all-time highs, it looks like. Let me look at the year chart. Oh, it doesn't even show yearly. We'll stick to the month. Oh, yearly. Yeah, we're in all-time highs. All-time highs here. Man, look at that. Boom. Sell-off here. We just hit all-time highs just a moment ago. I used to remember being a stockbroker here back in the days, and when everything hits all-time highs, it usually goes higher. So, no, but where do you go long? That's the question, because there might be a pullback here. If it keeps on extending, I might not just trade for the day. I might just call it a day here. I don't want to force the issue here. Look at this move. Oh, so resilient. Even the volume supporting it too. If you look at the volume here, it's being supported by volume here. Very, very strong market. Yeah, it's too risky. If I look at the volume profile, it's not showing in this video, but basically it's very thin up here. Very thin up till 5014 in the market profile. So yeah, we're due for a little. Some breathing room here. And we're reaching this little high here on this chart, the 30-minute chart. So I got to be extremely cautious here. I don't want to take any forced trades here at this moment. So this is a matter of patience here. Based on the measured move, that's like almost like from the low here, it's almost like 150 point measured move if for the because we're heading towards uncharted territory here. So in cases like those, I like to use a measured move here from the bottom of this here. So bottom here, that's like, what is it, 49.60. it's like a 150 point move here, so that would be the target. So from here it would be around 250, give or take. That's a target, which is insane. Absolutely crazy. The question is, who would be shorting here? I'm sure that there's some people shorting, but man, this is definitely an epic move on the SPY. The SPOOs, as they call it. There's that pullback. The question is, how far will it pull back, you know? There's a pullback. It's pulling down on low volume here. How far will it pull back? The question now is, when do I buy? When do I buy? It's pulling back more. It's pulling back. Ooh, look at that pullback. It's really pulling back now. Alright, there's like a doji on the 30-minute chart. This is a pullback, boys and girls. All right, I don't wanna go long in this drop down here, because it could potentially go down to it could probably go down here potentially. So buying here would be a mistake. Shorting here would be a mistake as well, because the buyers are strong. So I still got to be cautious here. I just want the price to tell me when to enter in, but this is essentially the pullback we were waiting for. But the question now is when to buy here. It may not even be a buy. It may be a potential short here. But I don't want to take a risk. With everything as strong as it is, I think, in my opinion, going short here would be a tremendous risk as well. So I got to be really, really careful here. Let me make this chart slightly bigger here. See, it's creating a doji here. This is very... Oh, this looks like it's the... Oh, now buyers are coming in. Oh, look at the buyers step in like now. But do you want to go long here is the question. I could see it go down here as well. Should I go long? You know what? Yeah, I want to buy here. Let's see how far. All right, so we are long.
Order submitted.
This is kind of shady. I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it here. And I'm kind of scared, man, trading these, but I got what I needed. I got a profit here. I might
Order filled.
You know what? I might just call this a day, man. Yeah, I got my trade in, and I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, this is Yeah, this I'm glad I got out because this is a little bit shady here. Now it looks like it's creating a head and shoulders here. I'm gonna be yeah I'm gonna be I'm not gonna trade going forward here. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, boys and girls. It was a really short trade here. I pretty much just got like a tick off that trade. I just got a tick only because it's really shady. I could see myself just getting hammered here somewhere, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a week. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know. We'll see. I might do some weekly recaps going forward now. Now that I'm gonna do commentary going forward. So yeah, I really hope that you guys come along for the journey. And yeah, we'll call it a day here. Thank you so much for watching.